have today some food bags. These we are going to have a giveaway for on our blog post, so stay tuned for that. When the giveaway is live, I'll put it in the video description link. So these food bags can be used for fruits, kids' toys, cosmetics, and more. There's this 12 pack in here. And, oh boy, my phone wants to go berserk right now. Okay, so you open, hold on a minute, peeling this. And these are good if you're looking to go green. And so they are reusable mesh bags. I'll have a link to the product in the video description. Their small size is 12 by 8 inches, and there's 3 pieces in this. Medium is 12 by 14 inches, and there's 6 of those. And large is 12 by 17, and there's 3. Okay, so you're getting 12 bags. They're by SGM Eco reusable mesh bags. They can be used, like I said, for fruits, kids' toys, cosmetics, vegetables, and travel items, as well as anything else you can think of. And you'll see they're really well made. Okay, they're nice mesh and they're color coded. So you've got the small are in the red, the medium are in the green, and the large are in the blue. And they have these nice drawstring toggle closures, so you can cinch them up for whatever you have in there. So if you were putting, you know, whatever you put in them, like you want to, you know, change out from these plastic bags, and you could even bring these to the store with you, so you don't have to take the plastic bag from the store. And put your apples in the mesh bag, and then just take the toggle and seal them up. Do that with some pink lady apples. Oh, pink lady apples are so good. I thought we'd go apple picking another time, and I hope we're going to go next week and try to go to. This weekend was just, yesterday we went to the Sheep and Wool Festival, which was really nice, and today was absolutely so cold, frigid cold. The kids' soccer game, it was just almost unbearable. I don't know how they made out at the Sheep and Wool Festival today, but it was almost unbearable. Anyway, I want to go to one of the pumpkin farms back here, not to get pumpkins, but because they have a lot of stuff for the kids to do. And I also want to see if there's any apples that we can pick, but or just buy some pink lady. I love pink lady apples. They're delicious. I could eat 5 of them a day. Really, I'm like an apple addict. Okay, see, these are very nice. Like I said, we're going to be having a giveaway for these, so please check our blog and, you know, let me know what you think there. And enter the giveaway, and let me know what you think in the comments here for these bags. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.